And special thanks to our friends at Syncwire who were nice enough to send us this magnetic car vent mount. Nothing around the edges of the box, and the back just has a bit of the features as well as manufacturing information. So let's open this up. See what we're working with here. So right on top we have, these are some magnets. These are good for like any other phone besides an iPhone, because iPhone has MagSafe, but Samsungs and others have never really copied that. So you can put this on your phone to make it magnetically work with this, even though you don't have MagSafe. Got some wet wipes to clean the area where you'll put this, as well as a little user's manual for the magnetic car vent mount and warranty policy. Then in here is one half of the mount. So you slide this out and look at that, so uniquely designed. So to get this to clip onto your vents, you rotate it this way and you see this comes out. So once it's all the way out, like so, you're able to stick this into your vents, and then you're able to rotate it back. That way it actually hooks onto the vent and stays in place. Ingenious, completely ingenious. Then you have this part, and that's it for the box. And this part, you just unscrew this, take it and put on here, and then just pop this right in place and tighten this on once you select whatever angle you want. Once you get your angle right, you know, you've got this in your vent clip like so. Maybe your vent's lower or higher and you want your angle like this. You tighten this all the way, and then it's going to stay in your vent and not go anywhere. Now this one here is the carbon fiber version. As you can see, it looks like carbon fiber by that Syncwire logo, which is pretty dope. But outside of that, that's really it. You'd then take your iPhone or your regular Android phone with one of these, and you're able to just slap it on there, use your navigation, etc. And then when you're done, pull off your phone and you're good to go. That will essentially do it for the Syncwire magnetic car vent mount that is carbon fiber. Thanks again to Syncwire for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.